So welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you exactly how you can actually convert USDT to Ton coin inside this particular Web3 wallet, which is Bitget Web3 wallet. So I will actually encourage you to watch this video from beginning to the end because it's very simple and very straightforward. So if you can actually follow up with this tutorial, you are going to actually do it within 15 or just 1 minute. So obviously the first thing you have to do is to log into your Bitget Web3 wallet. So then you are going to come over to your wallet over here. So this is the home page. As you can see, let me refresh. And I already have USDT inside my wallet address. And if you don't know how to do that, I've made video about it, and I'm going to link it inside this video description on how you can actually transfer USDT to this particular Web3 wallet. So you are going to come over to this wallet over here. Then you are going to locate, as you can see, I have Ton coin. I also have USDT. So I have 5 USDT. So you are going to click on this USDT over here. Click on USDT. Then there are 4 options. We can actually receive, we can actually send, but we are going to click on swap over here. Click on swap. Then as you can see, we have USDT, we also have Ton. So we are going to swap from USDT to Ton. So for example, if you actually participate in this particular airdrop, which is called to market, you are going to need Ton as a gas fee whenever this particular airdrop is being listed. So you are going to click on the amount of USDT you want to convert to Ton. So let's assume that I'm converting like maybe 1 USDT. So as you can see, it's going to find the best trade as soon as possible. As you can see, if I'm actually doing 1 USDT, it's going to give me 0.15 Ton. So I believe, okay, because of I want to use as a gas fee and also show you the tutorial, so I'm going to confirm this particular transaction because they are going to charge me a fee. But for the purpose of my community to actually show you the step-by-step process, I'm going to confirm it. Click on confirm, and this particular USDT is going to be converted. As you can see, if I'm actually converting 1 USDT, I'm going to be getting 0.15 Ton. So they are going to charge 0.2 as a gas fee for this particular transaction. So I'm going to click on confirm, and this particular transaction is going to be completed after adding my identity. So I believe you actually learned something from this particular video. So if you do, kindly give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because that's what I do basically on this YouTube channel. I teach you anything related to crypto. As you can see, I've done it successfully. So let me click on submit, like give them a feedback. Click on submit, then come over. So I'm going to, okay, so it's telling me to like rate them. So I'm not rating for now. So let me go back to my wallet, then show you the transaction history. So I'm going to go over to my Ton wallet. Click on my Ton. As you can see, my balance has reduced a little bit. So I'm going to go over to my Ton wallet to show you the transaction history. So I'm going to load up the page.
A few moments later.
So guys, as you can see, I actually got a notification just now that I actually sold 1 USDT and received Ton coin. So let me show you the transaction details. So I'm going over to my wallet address to actually show you the transaction there. I'm going to refresh it to show you. As you can see, my balance has reduced to 18 because they actually charge a fee for this particular transaction. So I'm going to click on this my Ton coin to show you the transaction history, then actually find it over here. So I think I should be able to find the transaction history. Let me refresh. So as you can see, 0.15 Ton was actually added using a smart contract. So I hope this video actually help you out, because like I'm actually risking my coin to actually show you exactly how you can do that. Please, I will actually encourage you to subscribe and give this video thumbs up so that it encourage me to make more video like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.